Washington. The Biden management on Friday requested the Supreme Court to reinstate President Joe Biden's pupil mortgage forgiveness plan, which has been blocked with the aid of using a federal appeals courtroom docket, Solicitor General Elizabeth Prelogar in courtroom docket papers, entreated the justices to raise an injunction imposed with the aid of using the St. Louis primarily based totally 8th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals on Monday. Before we continue, you are welcome to Wise BJ1 TV channels separately. A federal judge in Texas in an exclusive case has additionally blocked the plan. The authorities has additionally requested the New Orleans primarily based totally 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals to raise that injunction. In the brand new filing, Prelogar stated that the 8th Circuit's decision leaves hundreds of thousands of economically susceptible debtors in limbo, unsure approximately the scale in their debt, and not able to make monetary choices with incorrect information in their destiny or reimbursement obligations. Various people and corporations have challenged the proposal, with the case now on the Supreme Court, involving claims added, with the aid of using 6 states: Nebraska, Missouri, Arkansas, Iowa, Kansas and South Carolina. The Supreme Court on Friday requested the states to reply to Prelogar's request with the aid of using midday on Wednesday, indicating the justices will now no longer act earlier than then. The courtroom docket may want to furnish or deny the authority's utility, or because it is performed in a few different cases, comply with pay attention, oral arguments on an expedited foundation, and difficulty. A extra designated ruling a federal judge had dominated that the states did now no longer have prison standing. However, the appeals courtroom docket disagreed that specialize in a Missouri company that offers federal pupil loans. The Nation argues that the company could lose sales if loans are forgiven. The challengers argue that the management's plan, introduced with the aid of using Biden in August and at the beginning, set to take impact this fall, violates the Constitution and federal law, in part as it circumvents Congress, which they stated has the energy to create legal guidelines associated with pupil mortgage forgiveness. Biden's pupil debt comfort application could provide up to $10,000 in debt cancellation for debtors' incomes much less than $125,000 a year, or couples who record taxes mutually and earn much less than $250,000 annually. Pell Grant recipients who contain the bulk of debtors could be eligible for an additional $10,000 in debt comfort. The ordinary application is predicted. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless you.